How to check phone usage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Battery. You will then be taken to the Battery Settings page. On this page, you can view your battery percentage, battery health, and manage other battery settings as well. You can view the battery usage by app below as well. As you can see, you can also view the battery level and activity in the last 24 hours from here. You can view other information such as screen on and screen off time, last charge to battery percentage and many more. Tap on the last 10 days section above. Over here, you can view the battery usage, activity, average screen on and average screen off time in the last 10 days. Scroll down to see the battery usage by app in the last 10 days. You can also tap on Show Activity beside to see the app activities in the last 10 days. Following these steps, you can easily check phone usage on iPhone.